Hey future web developers, got an exam coming up? Need a quick, no-nonsense revision on servlets and JSP? Well, you are in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know about servlets and JSPs to ace your exam. Let's get started. Now that we have covered servlets, let's move to JSP or Java Server Pages. JSP is a technology that allows you to embed Java code directly into HTML pages. Unlike servlets, JSP is designed for presentation layer of your application, meaning it mainly used to generate dynamic content in the HTML page. The JSP lifecycle is similar to a servlet, but there are a few differences. Here's how it works. First, translation. When a JSP page is requested for the first time, the server translates it into a servlet. Next, compilations. The generated servlet is then compiled into bytecode. Third, initialization. The JSP init method is called once when the JSP is initialized. Request handling. The service method is used to handle request, just like in servlets. Destroy. When the JSP is removed from the memory, the JSP destroy method is called to clean up resources. Next up, components of JSP. These are the three major components you need to know: directives, declarations, and scriptlets. Directives, these provides overall settings for the JSP. Declarations are used to declare variables and methods. Scriptlets embeds Java code directly into the HTML. These components allow you to mix Java code with HTML, making it easy to generate dynamic content. Finally, let's look at JSP with a database. Just like servlets, you can use JSP to connect to a database. Here's the simple flow. Establish a JDBC connection to the database. Execute SQL queries to fetch data. Then, display the data in the JSP page, usually within the HTML tags. This combination allows you to create fully dynamic, data-driven web pages. Alright, quick recap. JSP allows embedding Java code directly into HTML pages for dynamic content. The JSP lifecycle includes translation, compilation, and request handling. Components of JSP include directives, declarations, and scriptlets. Servlets and JSP with database lets you interact with database and display dynamic content. Hey everyone, our free advanced Java course is launching soon on Udemy. Here's what you'll get: practice test, interview prep tips, quizzes, and assignments to help you build a standout portfolio. Ready to level up your Java skills? Find the link in the description below and enroll for free. That's easy, right? You've got this. If you found this revision helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Good luck with your exams, and remember, practice makes perfect.